Welcome to a glimpse of the camaraderie and zest for life that define our Rising Capital Group family. In the midst of our professional pursuits, we also cherish moments of togetherness and play. At Rising Capital Group, we believe in nourishing not just our projects, but also our relationships. Our employees gather over meals, sharing laughter, stories, and building connections that go beyond the office walls. Work hard, play harder. We know the importance of unwinding, and here at Rising Capital Group, badminton is more than a game. It's a way to rejuvenate, release stress, and build friendships. Strategic minds thrive in our midst. Chess isn't just a game. It's a reflection of our dedication to critical thinking, planning, and fostering intellectual bonds. Bound by the spirit of competition and teamwork, cricket echoes the values we stand for. Our cricket matches are a blend of sportsmanship, unity, and a passion for the game. At Rising Capital Group, we don't just work together. We grow together, play together, and build lasting memories. Because it's not just about elevating capital, it's about elevating each other.